NDPS court remands 4 police personnel of More police station, including OC led Kahau Wi-Fi, into 5-day police custody for allegedly trading contraband ketamine IP injection. Kokomi stands firm on boycotting of upcoming Sangai festival. Kokomi coordinator Sunin Kram urges people to protest instead of partaking in the festival. And Manipur observed National Press Day. IPM Minister Thongam Biswajit urges state journalists to publish news with responsibility and dynamism. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kanguzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. 4 police personnel, including OC led Kahau Wi-Fi of More police station, which recently bagged the Best Police Station Award, have been suspended for the alleged involvement in trading narcotic drug psychotropic substance ketamine IP injection. Impact News sources said that acting on a tip-off, Technopol police team led by additional SP LOKH Robinson under the supervision of Technopol SP TH Bikramjit raided at More Police ASIT Paumilung Housekeep's resident in More Ward number 9 on November 12th and recovered 10,755 bottles of 50 milligrams of ketamine injection Ketamax 50. Upon further investigation, Technopol District Police arrested Constable Lakshan Komp and Head Constable Muhammad Khaliluk of More Police Station for allegedly peddling contraband ketamine injection in the next day. Upon further investigation, the team arrested More Police Station Officer in charge Lekahov Wi-Fi on November 15. Inspector Lekahov Wi-Fi was produced before Lamfeld NDPS court today. The court has remanded accused Inspector Lekahov ASIT Paumilung and 2 other accused constables into 5 days of police custody for necessary investigations. Coordinator of Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Kokomi Sunin Kram, has reiterated that there is no withdrawal on boycotting of the upcoming Sangai Festival on November 24. He has also urged people to refrain from celebrating the festival, not to open stall or showcase any cultural programs, but instead, in both, resolve to protest the government to save Manipur. Speaking to media at Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO office in Hata today, Sunin Karam condemned the state government for its lack of proper response on Kokomi's repeated memoranda to protect Manipur from the final outcome of the Naga peace talks. The Kokomi coordinator also condemned Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan for his yesterday's statement on the media about the current issue and called him as an irresponsible MP. Sunil Karam maintained that R.K. Ranjan's comments clearly proved that BJP is a selfish political party dictated by whims of its national leaders.
Hauzik Manipur miyamadi yamna kwaidai luba sidagiri hena luba issue mata leitre aduna maram kana ekoi Manipur miyamna hauzik karigumba ithak irangi oiba wakhal loksing natraga kanaguma pungning wakhal langtakna bayaba karma harau kumayamta tawbigano haibase Kokomi gi maikai lauthok chagre handa government tangkulum doida singadruba sangai festival se amukka hana koi boycott tawjari Manipur miyam punamuksu koi saruk yaminagumsi sangai festival asida tongan ba stall phambi gadoba entrepreneurs sing stall phamba amata saruk sem saba amatoba adagi saruk yabiganu thamje adugana sound gi kari gi lila rogi khudingbak leiriba mayam se adugolona transporter is now sinaso laibak ki khalaganda ekoi gari da transport tobu khopodo madu tobigano hai cultural troops tent house agi chana thangna ba tawreba any sangai festival sida sangadaba hiram khudimak ki mayam singse masi punamak se cooperation pibiganu ekoi saruk agumsi laibak kaireba matamda ekoi kaidorobagi situation ama leiru matam sidadi ekoi na sangai festival tawrobagi one to se leiti habse Manipur gi miyamda amuka hana appeal tawjari.
Spokesperson of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar asserted that Congress party will continue carrying out relentless protests until the state government convened a special assembly session and disclosed the final agreement of the Naga peace talk to the public. Taking part in the really hunger strike against non-disclosure of Naga peace talks and non-convening of state assembly session staged by party members at Congress Bhavan, BT Road today, Ratan Kumar asserted that Congress party will carry out various democratic protests until their demands are fulfilled. He maintained that the public welcomed the conclusion of the peace talks only if it assures peace and no harm to the interests and integrity of Manipur.
Hujik Pawai Assembly Session Kaudava, Aduga Luina Luinana, Hydiba talks ki details sing ase, Hydavase, Masina Maram Morakanda, Kongjanga Sekoi, Hanbayade, Hyduktribodi, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na, Kongwa Mama Chetana, Akwimiam Prazagi, Apambaga, Luinana, Kuchu Leptari, Masira Kuchu Kongwam Hanjaroi, Aduna Assembly Session, Atuama Tamda Kogadovani, Luina Luinala, Hydiba Peace Talk Asida, Kari Yauri Bage Hybado, Madumiam, the Kangan Gadovani, Masi Kangandriba Bauba, Masik Assembly Session Z, Kaudribodi, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na.
People of Jiribam district protested under the banner of Coordinating Committee Jiribam on Manipur Integrity against disintegration of Manipur today. A large protest meet was staged at Lengangpokpi in the district. Members of Oinam Tingel Merapaibi and Equigi Club Singzamay Oinam Tingel jointly carried out protest demonstration at Singzamay Oinam Tingel Machin against disintegration of Manipur by the final outcome of Naga peace talks today. Kokomi coordinator Sunin Karam took part in the protest and stressed on the threats imposed by finalization of the peace talks. He called upon people to stand united to preserve the integrity of Manipur. Various placards that read, "Long live Manipur, don't break Manipur, bring solution, not problems," were used during the protest.
ngasi chatariliba naga pisto ki matangda akhoi karigum wafam amatada akoi negotiate toroi akhoi gi leiba kasida lebiriba MLA sing amadi mantri singna akhoi gi praja gi akhoi gi ihun si khangna thabak tobigani haina akhoi na khanjai manipur gi saktam ase kaibe sukya yaroi haiba se masigi damukta thawai hakchang yauna koi ngasi akhoi gi thawai na ponthaoro su akhoi lepkani haibagi wafam masida akhoi ngasi gi wakat befam masi phamjabani ngasi chatariliba naga pisto ki matangda akhoi
Manipur State Sumangklila Council has extended solidarity to all the initiatives of Kokomi to protect the territorial integrity of the state. Speaking to media at Iboyama Sumangklila Sangland in Palace Compound today, Council President M. Purnimasi Laima said that the impending threat posed by finalization of Naga peace talks between the Indian government and Asian IM has created apprehension among people of the state. She said that Sumangklila artists have carried out a large protest demonstration and will continue to support Kokomi.
Akoi Manipur State Sumanglila Council naidana akoi apex body ama Sumanglila gi mayam don mayam punsilaga laijariba apex body asiju tasengna Sumanglila tawjariba artist ing sisu maraibak nungsiba maraibak ki damakta kathok chaningba kaya ama yaujaribani miyamda lila uttana adi prajagi apha phata kaya ama sengtok sengjin tawdana tawjariba lila artist sing sisu dumak Mama Maraipak Nungsibani Haina Miamna Sotum Tazabiu, and I call Manipur State Sumangla Council, the saying Namak, Kokomina Sanctuary, Kongjanga Sigi, Da Akoi Saugatsari.
Volunteers of innocent people of Naga VIPN urged the state government to provide protection for people of Naga inhabited areas who are protesting in this disintegration of Manipur by final outcome of Naga peace talks. Manipur joined the nation in observing National Press Day today. Department of Information and Public Relations (DIPR) organized a state-level observance at DIPR complex in Netai Park today. Speaking at the event, Information and Public Relations Minister Thongam Biswajit urged journalists of the state to publish news with responsibility and dynamism to bridge the gap between the government and people. Minister Biswajit presented State Journalist Award to 7 reporters and 1 video journalist on the occasion. Joint editor of Sanalai Park Daily, Nepram Krishna Mohan bagged the Best Editor Award. Reporter Asem Bebija of Huelan Pao Daily bagged the Best Reporting Award in Science and Technology category. Sub-editor of Sanai Pao Daily, Taurem Biswazit, bagged the award for Best Parliamentary Reporting, while reporter Sagol Sem Bigyant of People's Chronicle bagged the Best Award for Reporting with special reference to women and child.
Journalist amagi magi machin thorba pen amaduna world se akoi loin ma phawak platform da propon ngamli haina bole aduna de kyam na my responsibility do kyam na wa ga de si akoi modern politics ya modern akoi le post he la ko da mane adu ngasi sarkar adu akoi public ta kali pamina to sarkar ne kali to ri ba masi ki ventilate to ri ba natraga masi ki facilitate to do pun ma chi je si akoi na si le ba Press is in now, like your house now.
All Manipur Press Association AMPA held its 49th Foundation Day at Hotel Imphal in North AOC today. Speaking on the occasion, Education Minister Thokson Pradesham asserted that printing press has a major role in the development of a society. He urged those in printing press to take initiative to benefit the state in this technologically advanced age. Minister Radhesham also urged people to acknowledge the crucial role of printing press in the society. He stated that the State Education Department, in support of the state's printing press, has assigned them with tasks of printing school textbooks. Minister Radhesham urged those in printing press to be an inspiration for students so that they may contribute in nation building. He assured that the state government and the Labor and Employment Department will provide latest training programs for people in printing press. Sekmai MLA Haikam Dingo, Joint Secretary of the Board of Secondary Education Manipur, Dr. S. Mangijao, Social Worker Oinam Roman, President of All Manipur Press Association Senzamt Surzit, and association members attended the event. Attendees paid tributes to late members of the association, and firms who took major roles in printing BOSM textbooks were felicitated on the occasion.
अखोइना तौबदा फजगियो पोछि करी कइनो अदम नोट तौगिरबा सोइगियो पोछि करी कइनो बदम नोट तौगे सोइरिबा फजदा पोछि अखोइ क्रम एंड हाउ कैन वी इंप्रूव अपॉन दोस मिस्टेक्स अदमाइ तो लाइक नंबर कांदा लाइक ता अखोइ क्वांटिटी दे याम हेन गे मरम कइनो क्वालिटी दे वालो करिगिनो पे साइज पाकदा वाटरा अदगी मुक्त कराय द चे द करि द वालिगे खोलिगे हाइबे सिंगसि अखोइ सिदा लेबिरिबा कांगोरि हेन खांगेबा अखोइ दे एजुकेट तौगिरबा अखोइ ताकपिरक तारगदि अदुगा याम तोइना अखोइ की डिपार्टमेंट की नम्मिबा कांगुबा अखोइ तोइन तोइना नॉट ओनली प्रिंटिंग की क्वालिटी खतना तब कंटेंट भाव तोयना पाराबने अखोइ मी मरी मंगा खतने मयामदी मी तमा सातु लिसिंग सुरमदरि मयाम उरक पखोलक रिसर्च तौबो थेंगनरो मयाम अदुगी स्टेट तदी अदुगी कंट्री तदी अदुगी लाइक तो सुमाइन तबे सिदा तबे अंगांग सिंगना पाबा नुंगाइगदोबा याम लाइगदोबा.
Former Secretary Organization of Proscribed United National Liberation Front UNLF Moirang Them Joy alias Nongkiai reached Imphal today after his release from Guwahati Central Jail yesterday. Many representatives of various women organizations down the state accorded a warm welcome to Joy upon his arrival at Imphal International Airport. Responding to Impact News query on the prevailing situation in the state, Joy stressed the need for the public to think critically before acting on emotions. Joy refused to respond to media query about any immediate or future plans in his life. Speaking to media about the recent release of former chairman of the proscribed outfit, R.K. Megant alias Sanayama from Guwahati Central Jail and who was taken to New Delhi by National Investigation Agency NIA team, he said that Sanayama was released on the jail as his prison term was shortened. Joy asserted that Sanayama is not likely to be arrested under any case again. It may be mentioned that Moirang Them Joy alias Nongkiai was imprisoned at Guwahati Central Jail after his arrest in Assam in 2010. National Investigation Agency charged him of waging a war against the Indian government.
Under one target is any poo hele, ado sumana ina mayam public chana unaba pangbasi engonda haninga letra nuai hetere. Hozile iba PMC amna complex oi. अदुबो अखोई पुनिंग फादना लेबे फिल्म सिंगसी याम फजना अखोई सेटल तौनब होनब चंगी अखोई इमोशन अखोई इहोगसी अखोई मियाम की सेंटिमेंट सी लीड तौनब होनब दी चुमोय मसिना पॉलिटिकली खोय तुंगदा सोकप फिल्म लाकप याई अदुना यामना पुनिंग फादना ले फिल्म सिंग फदना टेकल तौनब होनब मथोक ताई हने खाले जनरल लेंगे ददी याम सेना है गदी गुवाहाटी जेन सिटी कासु अवाब थेंगनाद्रे हायना हाइजनिंगी मरमदि मफम दुरो लेबा जेल अथॉरिटी सिंग जेल वार्डन सिंग अकोय रिलेशन असुके मति फै सिनि नाव दोना फै एनी टाइम अकोयना जेल गी अथॉरिटी सिंग एक्सेस तोबंग आमी अखोयदा अंगकबा फंगबा फैसिलिटीज पी आइना सिदा मणिपुर जनरल लेंगे ददी मसुमा फैसिलिटीज अमता लेते श्यामिंग मतंगसी हजिक फावबा आई मागा कंटेक्ट अमता लेते अदो आइना खनबददी मागी फिल्म सी अखोयना यामना नेगेटिवली लौबसु सुमोय हना खली मरमदि मागी सेंटेंस लोरगा तखिबनी पुगिबनी अदोना अनोबा एफआर अमा चलगा माबो फाबा हाइबसे ngamo hena khali mandi ma ngonda maduge sedition charge tawnan bagi ani tawnan bagi gariguma ground amata leite isagi oibasi ai hoji ai madudi kona lepsage ai hoji moti madu comment pijan ingri
Councillor of Ward Number 1, Lamsang Nagar Panchayat, Yumnam Nilamali, has clarified that he was not abducted by anyone. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan today, Nilamani said that Lamsang Nagar Panchayat has been on suspension due to some unresolved conflicts. Hence, authorities concerned resolved to conduct re-election on November 14. Nilamani expressed disappointment that after all the election activities, including nomination process, were completed, some unknown individuals filed a complaint to the DGP stating that he has been kidnapped, due to which the election was cancelled. Hence, no authorities, including the SDO concerned, turned out on the election day. Taking part in the press meet, MPCC Vice President D. Mangi Babu also strongly condemned the incident.
ngarang si yang ikong khangodana ai ki net tawre hadana ai ga samina wa hitare tina ba poling akoi lesang tema su kumar da police na koita ta na bi ki ma la ai ma na hai na ko min tana ki net to ba pha ba ko pa de ai moral bu akoi ki na to ma ki kira ma ta leti ai sing che
election commission na election office na masi phasna pang thobu matung da hoji congress ki manga kare bjp ki mari ka pasana majority na command torga government chembu do ba command torba parties na karigumba disturbances amata pb dana government semen bigadabuni amaga amagu hunjandana kochandana madagi phana na bigi kona na bigi na pu da government semen na to ko ba asimma mayam singa se masi ekoi thadung na ba pami madugi mahutta miyam ki seba phasana torga miyam na phajana vote pihalla aga adai da majority phangna na ba kona ba do maduna kwadi ki lakini congress ki magai da ji suba nakhai singna congress ki ne na lejerba singa se masida karigba paima toraga na pu da phana na bu na bigi to ba se asigum ba se to bigano.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on recycling of plastic waste by Depchan Plastic Industry. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Used plastic items can be recycled to produce new items, including DWC culvert and HDPE pipes. Proprietor of Depchan Plastic Industry, Deviswar Irom, urged people to bring their old plastic items and get new plastic products or money in exchange from the industry located at Patswai Part 4. Assistant Professor of Chemistry Department of the Imphal College, Dr. R.K. Babita, from Kakwa Ningom Thong Bazaar, gave her all plastic products for recycling to the industry today. Speaking on the sidelines, proprietor Deveswar said that people can get about 100 feet long HDPE pipes in exchange for 30 kilos of polythene bags. He maintained that anyone from within 10 kilometers radius of the Imphal city bringing used plastic products will be given 12 rupees per kg of all plastic items, and if representatives from the industry comes and collect the plastic waste, the rate is 10 rupees per kg. Deveswar asserted that melting of the plastic waste reduces air pollution, unlike harmful smoke emitted from burning plastic. He also said that plastic waste which the industry has failed to recycle are sent to other states for recycling. He expressed his firm belief that Manipur will become a clean and healthy society if Manipur Pollution Control Board extends support to the initiative of Depchan Plastic Industry.
Manipur Pollution Control Board ka ai undertaking am tawjaraga district tarok si handle tawjabani. Manipur Pollution Control Board na ju incentive che oidaga chu moi gari gu pi ni habegi provision lei ba ngonda. Adega ina paksana tawjarore eje Kakching Khonau Thoban Sugnu Ningthokong Moirang ayama nai tawjare adada aigi vehicle ki problem je kitang leiba vehicle problem je ai vehicle je ama ani khata jina jaga akoi bajite aina loina procure to bangam judeba asidegi sigi problem je kitang face oje engonda adu kari gumba mokhoina ai ge jaga ji sports da pugirak taragade ai most welcome ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ awareness ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ donor t-shirt ꯀꯨꯝꯕ donor ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯤꯡꯉ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯇꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯝꯇ ꯐꯪꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ
Meanwhile, Imphal College Assistant Professor R.K. Babita expressed happiness at the facility provided for recycling plastic waste. She urged people to bring their used plastic items to the industry and helped in conserving the environment.
Plastic waste collect toraga recycling unit ta yogadage haibase sigi awareness program si pina baidam ta ina yumda paisalaga thamba mayam adunga si aigi inau nupa deveshor da aina ngasi khusinabagi program si sinjabani aduna mayamna tungda aikhoigi leiriba yumda kamaina plastic si collect togadage haibasi isam samna aikhoina khomjan biro aduga aikhoina kg si kunthra gi mathakta leire hairakanda aikhoina plastic recycling unit the pau pina bagi damakta aina thongju kendra gi oina aina ready da aina leijare aduna mayamna ngasai gi khomjal lakanda leire haibado pau pibira o aduga aina ngasai gi recycling unit yohanna bagi damakta aina sem saduna leijare
Sky Hospital Research Center Private Limited, Rims Road, has successfully conducted heart surgery on minors for the second time in the state. Speaking to media at the conference hall of Sky Hospital today, Chairman cum Chief Cardiologist of the hospital, Dr. L. Shyamkisore, said that the surgery was performed during the week-long free children surgery camp since November 11th, organized by the hospital in collaboration with Healing Little Hearts, a UK-based registered children's charity that provides free heart surgery. He stated that children between 6 months to 3 years were operated during the camp. He mentioned that 9 out of the 6 children were from hill districts and the remaining 3 from valley district. Dr. Shyamkisore assured to hold free children's surgery camp again in March or April 2020. Doctors of Healing Little Hearts took part in the media interaction.
We will continue our endeavor, our partnership, and provide this free heart surgery for children who are unfortunately born with bad heart defects. And from time to time, we will be informing to the media and to the government agencies and also certain NGOs that when this kind of week-long free children heart surgery will take place.
District Health Society Bisnupur organized a district-level Healthy Baby Show competition at Kiambanding Sim Sunland in Bisnupur today. DC Bisnupur Nita Rangbam, Chief Medical Officer Bisnupur Dr. T. Manihar, and Medical Superintendent of District Hospital Bisnupur Dr. N. Bino graced the event. The competition was held in 3 categories for infants from 6 to 11 months, from 12 to 23 months, and from 24 to 36 months. 4 doctors and 2 A&M each conducted screening of the babies in 4 separate tables and selected 3 healthy babies from the categories. Parents of the winners were felicitated with cash awards and certificates on the occasion. Speaking at the event, District Family Welfare Officer Dr. Mera Hao asserted that the event aimed to aware the parents on how to nurture, care, and foster healthy eating habits for their babies. One day symposium on Gandhian thoughts and ideas, reflection of Bharatiya Darshan, was held at NG Mani College in Lamphel today. NG Mani College, in association with the Indian Institute of Public Administration and Bharatiya Itihas Sanklan Samiti, Manipur organized the symposium. Speaking on the sidelines, Assistant Professor of the History Department of the college, Professor S.H. Santibala, said that the symposium aimed to instill the Gandhian ideology to curb the rate of rising incidents of crimes in the society.
Hojiki violence makha ayamba lalung mayam chatharaba cold war na anga ko phangna prok hang dama kai prithibhi sida sagaliba juk sida Gandhian thought, Gandhian actions, Gandhian thoughts and actions magi satyagraha, magi non cooperation, non violence means mayam se magi truth, my concept of ahimsa masi asoki matik prithibhi se shanti oina bagi matang sida yam kanna darkar oiba pot amakha oide eba ko Gandhian philosophy se Gandhian thought se aduna masina main point of view oiraga akoina ngasigi symposium se pangthok jaban.
Assure Asset Advisory Private Limited, along with IIFL Securities Limited and HDFC AMC, held Northeast's biggest investor meet, Stock Ki Baat Sanjib Sin Ke Saath, at Classic Grant in Chingmairong today. Many investors from various parts of the state took part in the event. Director of IIFL Securities Limited, Gurgaon, Sanjib Sin stressed on financial education at the event. Speaking on the sidelines, Sales and Marketing Head of Assure Asset Advisory Private Limited, Kwakaitel, M. Rehan Kumar asserted that the event aimed to enlighten people of the state on how to become successful investors.
Financial education de koi notice ki na su yam niam ga leibai tare aduna haiba su mayam se koi na kitang do su backup ngam gadra haiba gi mayam da haiba si ki awareness se koi sinja bani haiba ngasi sinja awareness se ngasi thar ga yang khai tare lak su si loina na koi gi notice da notice biggest investor meeting ngasi sinja se haiba si jina koi gi awareness na public sing da ngasa ya ina haje ki ba koi gi khena ba investment na masung saving gi khena ba se adu gi moti ngasi koi na sinja ra pojin da su mayam da service ngasi for the last 2.5 years nearly
Oriental Women's Cooperative Society Limited, in collaboration with NCUI Cooperative Education Field Project, Thobal held one-day seminar on reorienting training and education through success stories at Thobal Khetri Community Hall near Thobal Police Station in Thobal District today. NCUI New Delhi funded the seminar. Trainees who participated in the Cooperative Management Diploma training at NCEE in New Delhi were presented certificates on the occasion. Resource person read out relevant papers of the topic at the event. Around 80 farmers and women weavers took part in the event. Tailoring and embroidery machines sponsored by Manipur State Women's Development Corporation Limited Imphal were presented to female inmates of Manipur Central Jail Imphal today. The distribution followed phase-wise 6 months tailoring and embroidery training provided to the inmates. Speaking on the occasion, Chairperson of Manipur State Women's Development Corporation Limited, S. Satya Bhama, said that the corporation was established with an aim to uplift underprivileged women. She hoped that the trainings provided will help the inmates to carve out their livelihoods.
Central jail is a lady was here. Karanda living body, me, Miss Amani. Tamatam, Matumina, I want to Tamakwa, Sorna Habitat, Adum Batanado. Who would not matter with the king as a general legenda, Layeda, Toina, Handala Wakan Kadigano, Tola Kanda. Ako na corporation pizza le bami tin singa tina isa do mi oina ba aba belam bi sem tan na ba sento pai bami on mo oina mo na bala ako corporation mating pa javani oina na corporation se ko bigano tatar tar bi training ni tar che he turga ne se bigado ni ade certificate bigado ni aduna tatar si manin da aba bo ja singa sina ta iba ko li bese na lokshan biraga isa so ojamu oina ba mamna bana biu.
Chanura Microfin Manipur, one of the oldest financial institutions of the state, will send 20 women weavers of the state to Guwahati for training purposes to enhance their skills. Briefing and interaction programmed on the exposure visit sponsored by Chanura Microfin Manipur was held at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking to media, CMM founder, secretary cum CEO P.K. Kuman stated that Chanura Microfin Manipur has been taking up capacity building programs to enhance the economic condition of women weavers in the state. He asserted that 20 women weavers who have taken up enterprises at the micro level were selected from 5 Delhi districts for the training. P.K. Kuman mentioned that the weavers will live involved for the 2-day training on latest trends and technology of weaving at Weavers Service Center in Guwahati on November 20 and written on November 23.
Powda Equina Nipi Lissing Ohungi Matakta, training a pigre. Mahoziki Harry Nipi Lissing Ohum, the pigre of Matung Sidagidi, Makoina Pire Bus in Fumsing, Aduga Makoina Pamjavas in Pumsing do, Aquina Manipurgi Wang Mada, Tongan Mama Pumsing da, Yamna successfully Kanotoriba, Mapum Sing Sida, Quena Purakan Sida, Makoida skill, Aduga Makoigi technology. Aduga madugi new trends se masigi se khangan nabagi damakta akoina exposure program se handaki thasigi tang kundagi akoi makoi mi kun se akoi Guwahati da han boina thaga dorini.
The Women's Cooperative Weaving Society Limited, Masjid Road, will organize an event as part of nationwide 66 All India Cooperative Week at Wahibam Lekai, Lairembi Hall on November 19. 66 All India Cooperative Week is being observed on the theme Role of Cooperatives in New India across the nation since November 14 to be continued till November 20. Speaking to media at the Society's office today, Chairperson of the Society, S. Sabitra, urged the public to take part in the event. Many generous people are extending assistance to Tokjo Manjor and his family from Khongzom Laibung Maning in Thabal district following report by Impact News on their deplorable life. Members of the Great Kanglei Park WhatsApp and Facebook group extended financial assistance of 14,000 rupees and clothes to the family today. New Chayang Youth Club held one-day mega free health camp under Autonomous District Council, Chandal at New Chayang village in Chandal block today. Medicine doctors and gynecologists check up many individuals of the area and provided them free medicines. Chairman of ADC Chandal, Ringo Lamkang, and ADC Chandal Executive Member Namthang Mati and Hobson Jyoti took part in the camp. As a part of security measures in the state, Imphal West District Commando Team carried out search operation at various areas under the supervision of the Imphal West District Police SP K. Megachandra today. The team led by OC B. Achoba conducted cordon and search operation at Kuyatong, Pukri Achoba Mapal, ABC Godown and Naga Mapal areas from 7:15 to 7:55 this morning. 125 individuals were verified, out of which 3 individuals without proper identification proofs were arrested. Cordon and search operations were also carried out at North AOC area from 8:15 to 8:55 a.m. 85 individuals were verified, out of which 8 individuals without proper identification proofs were apprehended for further verifications. Now the sports news. International Peace and Social Advancement, IPSA, has expressed apprehension that Manipur's wushu players may be excluded from participating in the upcoming 19th Sub-Junior Wushu National Championship 2019 at Kolkata from November 25 till 30. IPSA in a press release said that General Secretary in charge of Wushu Association of Manipur, T. Sunil Dro, took pivotal role in carrying out selection trials of Wushu players on November 3 and 4. However, complication has occurred since one self-claimed secretary of the association has carried out a separate selection trials and sent a players list to the Federation of India. IPSA has demanded the self-claimed secretary and family members of those players who supported him to clarify the matter to the public at the earliest. State Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian inaugurated a new artificial turf ground at Hyang Templamka in Chorchampur district today. Construction of the ground worth around 60 lakh rupees was funded by 5-time world champion cum Rajya Sabha MP MC Mary Comte under MP Local Area Development Fund. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Hankalian stated that the State Cabinet in its last meeting has already recommended to the Government of India to establish a medical college in the district, which is a landmark resolution of the Cabinet. He appealed to DLOs and concerned stakeholders to encourage youths in sports. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. NDPS court remands 4 police personnel of the More police station, including OC Lekhohao Wi-Fi, into 5-day police custody for allegedly trading contraband ketamine IP injection. Kokomi stands firm on boycotting of upcoming Sangai Festival. Kokomi coordinator Sunin Karam urges people to protest instead of partaking in the festival. And Manipur observed National Press Day. IPM Minister Thongam Biswasit urges state journalists to publish news with responsibility and dynamism.